In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a mobile game like Monopoly Go. If you've ever dreamed of creating a mobile board game that captures the imagination of players worldwide, similar to the beloved Monopoly Go, this video is for you. Developing such a game involves a series of carefully thought out steps, and I'm here to guide you through each one, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the entire process. To begin our journey, the first step involves concept development and uniqueness. It's essential to come up with a compelling concept that not only brings something fresh to the table, but also maintains the core appeal of a classic board game. Think creatively and explore unique twists that will set your game apart in a competitive market. Once you have your concept laid out, we move on to planning and design. This phase is all about structuring your game's framework. You'll need to map out the game mechanics, design the user interface, and decide on the visual aesthetics. It's crucial to ensure that your design is intuitive and engaging to keep players hooked. Next, we tackle technology stack selection. Choosing the right technology is pivotal in creating a robust and scalable game. You'll want to select technologies that support seamless gameplay across various devices. Consider platforms and tools that offer flexibility and are widely supported, enabling future updates and expansions. With the technology selected, it's time for development and implementation. During this stage, your ideas start to come to life. Collaborate closely with a development team that can translate your designs into a fully functional game. Pay attention to the user experience, ensuring smooth navigation and a bug-free play environment. Following the development, it's crucial to establish a solid monetization strategy. There are several ways to monetize your game, such as in-app purchases, ads, or a one-time purchase price. Choose a strategy that aligns with your game's vision and appeals to your target audience. As your game nears completion, we enter the launch and marketing phase. A successful launch requires strategic planning. Consider the best platforms for release and how to build anticipation among potential players. Effective marketing, whether through social media, influencers, or targeted campaigns, is vital to reaching a wide audience. Finally, there are additional considerations to keep in mind as you develop your game. Evaluate key technologies that might enhance the player experience and ensure your backend team is well equipped to handle the technical demands. It's also important to understand the factors affecting development cost and prepare an estimated cost range for your project's budget. Developing a game like Monopoly Go can be challenging, but with careful planning and execution, it can also be incredibly rewarding. I hope this guide provides you with a clear pathway to making your mobile game a success. Thank you for joining me today, and happy game developing!